Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Goyal, practicing company secretary from Delhi. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the process of incorporation of the producer company. As we have already discussed the process of incorporation of company, process of incorporation of wholly owned subsidiary in India, and those videos are already published on our blog. In this video, we are going to discuss about the little bit about the provision of the producer company and full-fledged process of the incorporation of the producer company. One of the major thing about the producer company, there is no provision under Companies Act 2013 regarding the process and provisions of the producer company. As per the Companies Act 2013, producer companies are still governed by the Part 9A of the Companies Act 1956. So the provision whatever mentioned under Part 9A of Companies Act 1956, same shall be applicable on the producer companies under Companies Act 2013. So we can say there is no separate provision under Companies Act 2013 regarding producer company. What is the meaning of producer company? Producer company means a body corporate having object and activities as specified under section 581B of the Companies Act 1956. Objects like production, harvesting, processing, grading, pooling, selling, exports of the primary produce of the members, import of goods and services for the benefit of the members. Services like rendering technical services, consultancy services, training, education and research services for the promotion of the interest of its member. So these are the type of objects. There are some other objects are also mentioned under section 581 subsection B. So foremost requirement for the incorporation of a producer company. Producer company shall have at least 10 subscribers, and all the subscribers of the producer company shall be producers. They have to give a certificate that they are the farmers. At least 5 directors should be there for the incorporation of producer company. Minimum paid up share capital for the producer company is rupees 5 lakh. Name of the producer company should mention the word producer company limited. However, the name is mentioned producer company limited, but the characteristic of the producer company, the compliance of the producer company shall be considered as a private limited companies. So these are the basic requirements for the producer company which everyone should know before going for the incorporation of producer company. So after this requirement, first step for the incorporation of company is name approval application. The concerned person have to file the name approval application with the Registrar of Companies through Spice Plus form available on the MCA website. It is a web-based form. Person have to log into the MCA website. Then they have to go to the MCA services portal. There they can find Spice Plus form. Spice Plus form is divided into 2 parts. First part is states about the name approval application, and second part is states about the incorporation of company. So let's discuss the first part. In the first part, company have to fill the information like type of company, industry of the company, subcategory of the company, and proposed names of the company. Maximum 2 names can be mentioned under proposed name. So once all the information is filled, company have to click on the file option, then they have to save the application, then they have to submit the application. After submission, company have to pay a fees of rupees 1000 with ROC. Once the fees is paid, a challan shall be generated. So once challan is generated, ROC will check the name. If the name shall be available, they will issue the name approval certificate. So first step is the name approval. Once the name approval certificate is obtained from the ROC, in the second step, company will prepare some documents. First document, article of association and memorandum of association of the producer company. Article and MOA of the producer company shall always be physical form, they cannot be in electronic form. Second, company have to prepare the DIR2, consent of the director. Third, they have to prepare the NOC from the owner of the property. That property shall be used as a registered office of the company. Utility bill of the registered office that should not be older than 2 months from the date of the passing of resolution. And one foremost requirement, certificate that the subscribers of the proposed producer companies are the farmers. So they have to mandatorily submit this certificate at the time of the incorporation. All these documents should be prepared within 20 days, because once the name approval certificate is issued by the ROC, that certificate shall be valid for the 20 days. In 20 days, company have to file application for incorporation of the company. So once all these documents are prepared by the company have to move on the third step, that is filing of SPICE Plus Part B, that is for the incorporation of the company. So SPICE Plus Part B, company have to mention the information like capital of the company, name of the directors, name of the subscribers, type of share capital, all the information they have to fill. Once all the information is filled, at the end of the form, company have to attach the document which we have prepared like MOA, AOA, DIR2, NOC, utility bill, certificate of the producer. Everything is required to be attached in the form. Once everything is attached, company have to save the form. After saving of the form, now the fourth step, company have to fill the form Agile Pro. In Agile Pro, company have to mention information about the ESIC, EPFO, PAN of the company. If company want to apply GST, then same have to mention in that, and bank account of the company. All these information regarding this certificate required to mention in the Agile Pro. So once the Agile Pro is completely filled, company have to save the form and have to download the PDF copy of the SPICE Plus Part B and Agile Pro. In the fifth step, we will download the PDF. In the sixth step, company have to attach the DSC of the subscribers, DSC of the directors and the professional on these PDF files. In the step number 8, company have to upload these files on the MCS website. Step number 9, company have to pay the fees for the statutory fees for the incorporation of the company. So once the form is filed, ROC will check the form. If ROC will satisfied with all the document, they will issue the certificate of incorporation of the producer company. And they will assign the bank account to the company, the nearest branch to the registered office of the company. Whatever bank you have selected, the nearest branch of the bank shall be given to the company for the incorporation, for the opening of the bank account of the company. So this is the process of the incorporation of the producer company. Our complete write-up on this process has already been published on my blog, that is www.csdiveshgoyal.info, as write-up number 575. So you can subscribe our blog and our YouTube channel for the regular updates of the corporate law. Thank you so much.